day, everyone. This is Edelit Langkay of SMDC here in YouTube, Ed's Realty Guide PH. For today's video, nandito naman kami sa showroom ng Sale Residences para ipakita sa inyo yung ating scale model, presentation, and updates about Sale Residences. Baka may mga clients dyan na naghahanap ng premier project na mas more bigger sizes na units. Etong sale, baka ito na yung hinahanap yung condominium. So this is the scale model of Sale Residences. Tower B and Tower A. Ang maganda dito sa Sale Residences, we have sky deck and viewing deck. Pag may mga occasion like fireworks, Christmas or New Year, kitang-kita mo dito sa roof deck. At ang maganda pa, ni-landscape na natin. Then, we have commercial area at the ground floor like Alphamart, 24/7, and other restaurants for your basic needs. Tara, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung ating 5-star amenities. For the 5-star amenities, we have landscape garden, gazebos, children's playground, clubhouse sa gitna with gym overlooking swimming pool. So isipin mo habang nagji-gym ka, kitang-kita mo yung ganda ng swimming pool. At ang napansin ko pa dito, upgraded na yung ating swimming pool. Napakalawak niya. So may enjoy mo talaga to. Or else pag pinarentahan mo siya sa staycation like daily rental, maraming magre-rent kasi may enjoy nila yung amenity, Instagrammable. This is one of our premier project here in Mall of Asia. And we have Tower C and Tower D over here. Then, if you are looking for a bigger size of unit, Sale Residences is good because we have 32 square meter and 38 square meter. Kung gusto mo ng mas bigger size, Sale Residences. Tamang-tama ito. At mas upgraded na yung amenity natin. Ganito yung itsura niya after turnover. To give you an idea, ang maganda pa sa SMDC, kung anong itsura ng scale model, ganun yung itsura ng building. So talagang walang magbabago. At mamaya naman, ipapakita nila Maverick, Mel, and Danica yung showroom and also other presentation ni Sale Residences. Okay.
To Sale Residences, the gem of the Mall of Asia district. Around the area of this condominium in Pasay, a vast wealth of shops, restaurants, and entertainment sites await you. As that's the view of the horizon beyond Manila Bay. Sale Residences.
Hi everyone! So yun naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung upgraded unit kay Sale Residences, which is 38.75 square meters. So tara, pasukin natin. So pagpasok mo pa lang guys, and ito kasi in-upgrade na yung unit na to, so hindi na talaga totally ganito yung unit deliverable. Pero ganito din yung itsura niya, ganito din kalawak yung ating kitchen. So pasok tayo. Ito, pwede din natin itong gawin. Magpalagay tayo ng upper cabinet for the kitchen. And also, meron na tayong mga provision for the rice cooker or coffee maker. So, dito tayo guys sa bathroom. For the bathroom naman, andito na din yung provision for the automatic washing machine. And then also the sink for our mga pagtututbrush natin, yan, mga kailangan natin. So pati yung mga pang facial, pwede natin gawin dito. And then also, ito naman is, meron tayong overhead shower and then telephone shower. Ito guys, hindi na to kasama yung enclosure. Pwede nyo yan palagyan. Then also guys, ito naman yung ating provision for the refrigerator and then also the microwave. So meron tayo ditong 4-seater sa dining table, and then also naman guys, pasok tayo. Kung makikita nyo, if ever na, eto kasi si Sale, malaki yung sukat ng room niya. So, bukod yung ating kitchen and then the dining area and then also our living room. So, yan guys, maluwang din siya. Eto, pwede siya for the 3 tao. Yes, yung sofa na pwede natin ilagay. And then, ang kagandahan nito guys, eto, ang ginawa niya, itinago niya yung TV para if ever na, syempre, dagdag design din, di ba? So, dito naman tayo for the bedroom. Sa bedroom naman, guys, it's up to you din kung anong gusto nyong interior. Yung client ko, ang sabi niya, yung interior na gusto niya is gagawin niyang loft type. So, para meron pa siyang parang office area sa baba, di ba? And then, ito naman, guys, ang kagandahan, di ba? Ang ganda ng cabinet na ginawa niya, parang glass. So, pwede nyo rin yung gayahin. And then, may TV pa rin siya for the bedroom. And then, yung enclosure niya is glass na. Yan. Also, meron din tayong balcony, guys. So, yan. So, yun lang, guys. If you want to know about this project and details, don't forget to message us. So, punta naman tayo kay Maverick.
So now, let's talk about the existing establishments and landmarks near Sale Residences. So we have commercial areas, so alam naman natin na walking distance lang siya sa SM Mall of Asia. And also SM by the Bay, S. Maison, Harbor Square, Blue Bay Walk, Double Dragon Plaza. And we have convention centers such as SMX Convention Centers, World Trade Center, Cultural Center of the Philippines, Philippine International Convention Center, and we also have 3 major casinos nearby, which is Soler and City of Dreams and Okada.
We have flexible payment term. And good news, we have ongoing promo which is 10% discount. So what are you waiting for? Para maka-avail ng unit sa Sale Residences, ang kailangan mo lang is one government ID like passport or driver's license and a signed form. It can be sent via email if you are based abroad. We can discuss via Zoom presentation kung andito ka sa Pilipinas or dito sa Metro Manila. We can do a meet-up presentation. Just contact us using the details on the screen or click the comment section to see our Facebook page where you can directly message us.
We all know naman that Mall of Asia will become the part of the entertainment city. Magkakaroon tayo ng monorail connected to the airport, subway station, observatory tower with 360-degree view overlooking Metro Manila. At meron pang nire-reclaim sa likod lang ng Mall of Asia, which is the Smart City that create more job, commercial hubs, and tourist attraction. That's the reason why the zonal value increases and the property. Hopefully, nagustuhan nyo yung presentation ng Team ERL sa Sale Residences. Sa mga bagong viewers dyan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel para maging updated kayo sa mga upcoming video and bagong project ni SMDC. Again guys, thanks for watching and see you from my next vlog!